After 6 years, the family is finally getting answers. We have a closer look into the arrest affidavits for two men arrested in connection to the 2019 death of Fort Hood soldier Gregory Wedel-Morales. 6 News reporter Sydney Walker has the breakdown. Sydney.
According to the arrest affidavits for Darius DeMarcus Nobles and Darian Laquan Brown, they were, quote, putting in work for their gang, retaliating against Morales at the request of another individual. Gregory Wedel-Morales was reported missing in August of 2019.
I can't make it right for Greg. I don't know what he had to have gone through for it to end up the way it did.
For Kim Wedel, his mother, the hurt feels the same almost 7 years later.
I hope all of this leads to closure, that he can rest.
Nearly a year after he went missing, his remains were found in a field during the search for specialist Vanessa Guillen. The cause of death, a gunshot wound to the head.
I believe we had our suspects probably within the first 2 months of his remains being located. It was just actually proving that they did do it.
Detective Jonathan Mueller was the lead on the case. In January 2020, cell phone records led them to San Angelo. The last number Morales had called belonged to the young son of a woman there. She shared the phone had been stolen by a man known as Cash, and a man named D had told her through a third party he, quote, had to take someone out. The third party told officers that he had been involved with the gang and that Nobles and Brown went to Killeen to retaliate against Wedel-Morales at the request of another individual. Cash was identified as 27-year-old Darian Laquan Brown and D as 28-year-old Darius DeMarcus Nobles. Nobles acknowledged owning a 9mm but denied shooting Morales. The gun had been taken earlier by San Saba Sheriff's Office and matched to a shell casing by the Army Criminal Investigation Lab.
One of the suspects did share a lot of information.
His partner, on the other hand, helped their investigation.
They had gone to interview somebody of interest, and the guy, he goes, he just spilled his guts.
Although his story changed 3 times, Brown admitted he was present during the shooting and served as a lookout while Nobles pulled the trigger.
Obviously, there has to be a consequence, but I do give that young man's credit for at least giving some closure to the mom and his family.
The Bell County District Attorney accepted charges against both men on December 30th, 2025. Brown was served his warrant that day while in custody at Parker County Jail on an unrelated charge. Nobles was arrested February 23rd in Harris County by the U.S. Marshals Task Force.
Yeah, those court records kind of showing some more clarity with that investigation. Sydney, thank you.